Welcome viewers. In last video I have solved the problem related to the angle of depression. So this time I am trying different, that is I am going to solve the problem related to angle of elevation. So this is a problem. Okay, I am going directly to the problem. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a flagstaff of height 7 meter. From a point on the ground on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is 30 degree and that of the top of the flagstaff is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so I will draw the figure. So line by line. So first sentence is a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. This is a vertical tower. Okay, so this is a ground. So this is a ground. Okay, so first sentence is a vertical tower stands on the horizontal plane, and second is surmounted by a flagstaff. Okay, so above this vertical tower there is a flagstaff. Say this is a flag and flag holding rod. Okay, so this is total called as a flagstaff. So this is a figure. Okay, and is surmounted by a flagstaff of height 7 meter. Okay, the height of this flagstaff is given, that is 7 meter. Okay, next sentence, from a point on the plane or ground. From a point, say this is a point. First give the name of this tower, that is AB and C. BC is a flagstaff. Okay, from a point on the ground, say this is a point O. From a point on the plain ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff. Okay, so the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff. Okay, this is the bottom of the point. B is the bottom of the flagstaff. Point B is the bottom of the flagstaff. The angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is how much? 30 degree. Okay, fine. So next, that of the top of the flagstaff, the angle of elevation, it is given two angle of elevation. The first one is the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is 30 degree, and second one is angle of elevation that of the top of the flagstaff. Okay, so top of the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff is also given, that is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Okay, so I have given all the names. This point is O, AB is a tower, BC is a flagstaff, and O is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is 30 degree. Likewise, the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff is 45 degree, and both the angle is defined from a single point on the ground, that is point O. Okay, so what we have to find is find the height of the tower. So this is we have to find. This is height of the tower, H. We don't know the value of H, we have to find it. Okay, you have to understand this figure. One part is common for both the object, that is base, that is OA. OA is common for the tower, and O is also common for the flagstaff. Okay, so this is the height of the flagstaff is 7 meter, and the height of the tower is not known right now. So this we have to find, and this you can consider h plus 7 meter, h plus 7 meter. So this is total height, that is AC is h plus 7 meter. Okay, from triangle, considering the triangle, that is this first triangle, that is triangle OAB, triangle OAB, theta is 30 degree, theta is 30 degree. So I am putting the formula of tan theta, because why I am putting the formula of tan theta, the perpendicular is given, the perpendicular is already given for both the triangles, that is triangle OAB and also triangle OAC. Base is not given, but base is common for both the triangles. That is why the combination of perpendicular base, the formula will be tan theta. So tan theta is equals to P by B. Tan theta is equals to P by B. So theta is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to perpendicular for triangles, that is OAB is AB is perpendicular and base is OA. So the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root over 3. You will get this value from the table, but in the exam the value will not be provided to you. You have to remember this value. So while solving the problem, you just need to remember this value also. Tan 30 degree, what will be the value of tan 30 degree? So these things you must know. Okay, so the value of AB is also not given. That this what we have to find out. The H, I can write H. OA is common. I am not writing in place of OA anything. So if you cross multiply, OA is equals to root over 3h. So this is equation number 1. So from another triangle, another right angle triangle, that is triangle OAC, that is theta is 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree. So again we apply the same formula, tan theta is equals to P by B. So tan 45 degree is equals to perpendicular is AC and base is common, that is OA. Tan 45 is 1. The value of tan 45 is 1. You will get from the table, that is AC is H plus 7 and OA, I am writing the same OA as it is. So if you cross multiply this, OA is equals to H plus 7. This is equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 1 is OA is equals to root over 3h, and from equation number 2, that is OA is equals to H plus 7. Okay, so now equating equation 1 and 2, equating equation 1 and 2, we get. Why I am equating the equation number 1 and 2? Because left hand side of the equations, both the equations are same. So I can, in this case, I can equate the equation 1 and 2. So by equating, that is root over 3h is equals to h plus 7. So root over 3h, if you bring this h from right hand side to left hand side, it will become minus h. So it will be 7. So if you take common h, then root over 3 minus 1 is equals to 7. So h is equals to 7 by root over 3 minus 1. So h is equals to 7 by, if you put the value, if you put the value of root over 3, that is 1.73. Sometimes it is given in the questions. Otherwise, you have to know the value of root over 3, that is 1.73. This is 1. So here I am going to solve. H is equals to 7 divided by, if you subtract this, 0.73. If you subtract it, 0.73. So you have to divide 7 by 0.73. So how to divide this 7 by 0.73? 7 by, you can write 73 by 100. So for point I am writing 1, and after point there are two decimal, that is 0.73. There are two decimal, so I am putting the value 20. So H is equals to, so this is a form of A B by C by D. This is a form of A by B by C by D. So in this case you can write A by B into D by C. You can use this formula. Use this formula. So 7 into 100. So that 100 will, D will go that multiply with A. And in this case B is 1, 7 by 1. Okay, I am not writing 1 because it is not necessary. So 73. So 700 divided by 73. So if you divide 700 by 73, then you will get the value around 9.5. Okay, this is the height of the tower. So you can write, therefore the height of the tower is 9.5 meter. So this is the answer, and it is asked to find out in the questions. Okay, thank you.